guys, nagawa tayo ngayon ng black beans chili sauce. Ito yung black beans dry yan. And a chili flakes. There are two kind of chili flakes. This one's more spicy. And that one is a little bit light. And the sesame seeds. And lots of garlic. Yan. So ito, pagsama-samahin natin dati yan, kasama ng sesame oil and olive oil together. Okay, start na natin. Okay guys, andito na yung garlic. So, ang gagawin natin, i-grind natin siya ng pino. Okay. Yeah, 1 spoon of sugar and a little bit of salt. Okay. And a little bit of soya sauce. Like okay. Okay. So ito, in 2 minutes, ready na yan. Masarap. Olive oil. Okay. So we need 2 teaspoons of sugar to balance the spices and salt. Ayan. Dito na? More? More? Yeah, sisiw. Yeah. Okay, you add some more? More sesame seeds? Okay. That's it. Look yummy. Very nice. Red noodles. Okay, so this one is done because it's boiling. Right, so patay na natin yung ilaw. Yung fire. Okay. That's it. So that one's done. Lagyan natin sa jar mamaya pag hindi na siya mainit. Okay.